was sent into you, and you came right back to show me there's ways to be whole and in control of me. You say behavior, open eyes, for you learn to drown your meaning, and you'll learn to get over the sentence of misfortune. I'm falling down, thought I'd paid my time in this line, though I've wasted my time with an open mind, though I don't comply to this open line. Oh, I've paid my time, open wide. Must be so long I've lost my mind, and led my soul to places unknown, and I can't believe I lost my mind. When the pain is a pleasure I seek to enlighten me, but I'm falling apart in my attempts to break the line. Though for a while I would not decline to break the bind, I still don't know why I open my mind again. I'm much more tame than I wanna be, and would like to think I am being the man you've woven me into through such problems in ardent times. I'm back in line, hoping you will pull through to me. My attempts have been useless when I followed my heart, and it's leading me back in time. Here I go again, back in line, wasting time that I cannot provide a decent life for myself in this line. I'm hoping I can find the light that leads the blind. Misbehaved so long that I've lost my mind, and led my soul to places unknown, that I can't believe I lost my mind. When the pain is a pleasure I seek to enlighten me, so falling apart but not making the time to come to value things that I've declined. When all is lost, just call me back in time. When all I want to value is what's mine. You come to me at a time when I really hated the truth, so I'll follow you to my reason for being this lost within my own eyes. I've opened my eyes to better times, and I thank you for my reason. So I gave right back, hoping you were pleased with my acts. With all my heart, it takes away from my pride. Too been wide, I let go and cry. Let the high take over my life. Ignore my life, control is why I won't waste my time.